As the new Trump administration term progresses, sweeping changes are being implemented across government environmental websites. According to a report from the EDGI, the speed and extent of these alterations have exceeded those made during Trump's first term in office. The EDGI, a nonprofit organization created in response to President Trump's initial term, works to monitor and preserve government environmental data. Their most recent findings show that within the first 100 days of the current administration, there were 632 significant website changes, compared to 371 in the same period of the first term. The group classifies significant changes as those that meaningfully alter a page's content, focus, or links. Even though the number of monitored pages has dropped from more than 25,000 in 2017 to 4,429 this year, the surge in changes has continued. These findings were made possible thanks to the commitment of EDGI volunteers, who carefully examine federal web pages to ensure the public retains access to preserved information. The organization has made these resources publicly available. Gretchen Gerke, EDGI's co-founder, expressed surprise at the scale of deletions, especially in relation to environmental justice. That level of total erasure we didn't see with any topic under the first-term administration, Gerke remarked. The report underscores that environmental justice initiatives and diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, programs have been key targets of the administration. On January 20th, President Trump signed an order eliminating these programs and positions entirely, a decision that stands in stark contrast to former President Biden's emphasis on environmental justice as a central priority of his administration. In an email to NPR, White House Assistant Press Secretary Taylor Rogers said, under President Trump's leadership, agencies are refocusing on their core missions and shifting away from ideological activism. According to EDGI's report, the removal of information began the very next day after Trump took office. This included deleting the Council on Environmental Quality's Climate and Economic Justice Screening Tool and similar resources from other agencies, which were essential to Biden's goal of directing 40% of climate program benefits to disadvantaged communities. While climate change content on federal websites has also been targeted, the changes have been less extensive compared to DEI and environmental justice material. The Federal Climate Change Research website was taken down, while another remains active, still offering scientific data and advice on individual climate action. Additionally, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's, NOAA, Climate.gov site shut down after its staff was terminated. This platform had been an essential source of weather pattern, drought, and greenhouse gas data, drawing nearly 1 million monthly visitors, according to NOAA's own reports. Gerke stressed the absence of safeguards over how administrations handle government websites, stating, "We really need to protect our information better." Websites are the primary means by which the government communicates with the public. They also emphasized that accurate information is vital for democratic participation.